Welcome back to my channel Bad Boy. As you guys can see, we're back again with Minecraft, but in this video we're not doing normal Minecraft. We're doing Minecraft, but every time you shear a sheep you get OP items. Yep, that's right. And when I mean OP items, I mean OP items. Like for example, maybe you can say Eye of Enders, Ender Pearls, Enchanted Golden Apples, Obsidians, maybe even Beacons. Because I tried this mod in another world, and it was actually very OP. You can get OP hose, OP axes, OP pickaxes, swords, netherite. You can get a lot of stuff by just shearing a sheep. So in this video we're going to be doing that. Watch till the end to find out if I beat the Ender Dragon or not. Okay guys, so obviously first off we have to start by getting some wood. I have to just get 2 iron. If I get 2 iron, I'm going to be rich and rich. Like just shearing a sheep will give you super OP items. The items it will take you days and years to acquire, like enchanted golden apples and like other stuff like that. I obviously already played this mod on a world, and it was super OP. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how to get this mod, basically just download an app on your phone. Download an app called my add-ons add-ons in Minecraft. Okay, and then the first application that comes, install it. It looks like half human, half human, half zombie. It's kind of like that. And then in the search area, you search the shearing sheep gives you OP items. And look, there's a sheep over here. Now I could kill it for food, or I could just wait till I actually get a shears. So I think I'm just gonna wait. I cannot kill it. And also every time I shear the sheep, the only problem, I forgot to make a crafting table and stuff. Sorry, I'm a noob. So, but the only problem is that I have to wait for it whenever I shear the sheep. I have to wait for it to regrow its wool, and only then I can actually shear it again. So this is going to be very exciting. Excuse me. Watch till the end to find out if I actually beat the Ender Dragon. Yep, we are trying to beat the Ender Dragon through this. Don't worry about unlimited respawns. This is my first ever time using my modded Minecraft. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, more quality content like this. I know it is not quality content like how you see in Dreams video, Technobliss video and all that stuff. I know it's not that kind of quality content, but like still guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, like this video, share this video to everyone else, and please get me to 40 subscribers. My mildest goal, I think I should get like 30 cobblestone. My mildest goal is to reach 1000 subscribers at least, then maybe like 10,000 and stuff. 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 200 million. I think then I'm going to be old, because that's almost like impossible to hit. At least it's impossible. It's very hard to hit just 1,000 subscribers. Imagine 1 million subscribers. It's going to be hard. Okay. So now let's just build up. Ow. Now I have to find a cave. Oh wait, coal. I completely forgot about coal. We just need like about 1 or 2 coal, and we need only 2 iron actually, because actually sometimes there's this possibility that sometimes there's iron when you mine coal, there's iron, and when you mine iron there's coal near around. So let's just see. I don't think there's any iron. I give up already. Okay, let's just build up. And guys, one of the like a few of the Like the few of the items that sheep shearing gives you is like, I think so. One of the items is like hose, OP stuff, OP armor, sometimes even netherite. So, but then diamond pieces of diamond armor like legging. Oh my god! Sometimes like leggings and stuff. So that's what. Okay, now I think if we could find a village, or just set out for a cave, or just dig straight down, because digging straight down is also an option. But I don't think we should dig straight down. We should try and, is that a village? That is a village. Let's go. Whew. Thank God I found a village, and there's a cave here too. If I find, guys, are you kidding me? Like seriously, 3 iron. Let's go. We just need 2. Okay, and then we didn't know cobblestone because we already have enough cobblestone to make a furnace. Okay, we're gonna do all that stuff in the village. But where's the village over here? Yeah, I am a noob. Don't tell me this is an abandoned village. Okay, it's not. I mean, even if it was an abandoned village, I couldn't care less because I'm just here for the food. At a point of time, I'm gonna get golden apples too. So I don't think I might need that much food, but I still might need food because every Minecraft player needs food, except if they're on creative, then they never need food. But that's cheating. So almost died. Not died, but almost fell. Listen, I could either kill the iron golem. I could either kill the iron golem or like smelt all my iron. Should I kill the golem? Okay, you know what? Forget it. I'm gonna kill the golem because these villagers don't deserve him. Okay, so what have I normally? Oh my god, almost done. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, so yeah, I have keep inventory on. So let's just not do that, and let's just make some wheat. Yeah, that was bad, but hey, still okay. It's okay. Okay, I didn't know he could actually climb. Okay, I am a noob. Okay, I didn't know. Oh my god. But we don't even need the iron. It's okay. We already have stuff. We already have 3 iron. Now we just have to wait. Okay guys, the iron is done smelting. I think only 2 obviously. Cheers. The ultimate cheers. Now I just need a sheep. Okay. The weird thing is I just saw like 20 sheep, and after I came back from the mine there was 0. There was 1, but after I came back from the village now there's 0. And also the bad thing is that it's going to be night time. That's the worst thing ever. So I have an idea. Let's just go back to that village. Hopefully I think I remember where that village is. It's like somewhere over here maybe. Please tell me it's somewhere over here. Thank God. Okay, I think the iron golem is still mad at me, and they already have a sheep. They already have a sheep which is like caged. Thank God. Now let's go to sleep in this villager's bed. This is also a respawn point. To let you guys know, I haven't killed the Ender Dragon like so many times. As of like other. Okay, are you guys ready to do this? At 3, 2, 1. TNT. I mean, TNT. Not that needed, but okay. Now see you later, sheep. Now the sheep has to eat grass to regrow his wool. What up? What up? Oh, already done. Let's share obsidian. Let's go. So let's try, because sometimes you can actually get RF enders. Sometimes you can. More sheep. More sheep. More sheep. More sheep. More sheep. A diamond hoe, that's what I'm talking about. It's a hoe, but it's still. I can get a lot of hay bales quicker. And. You guys see what I'm talking about? Huh? You guys see? You guys see? This is what I'm talking about. Like, bro, I got enchanted golden apples. We just need one. One of these. Hello, sheepy, 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 sheepies. Come over here. Let's take them to a pen. Like that. There's so many cats. Let's take them to the quicker. He just threw the cat off. Okay. Oh, he's done. He's done making his wool back too. Let's just put them over here as well. Hello, oi. Okay, it's just two. Hey, listen. Listen. Okay, good boy. Don't now. You both have to eat. Okay, what do you give me? And diamond pickaxe. Silk touch. I mean, it's still what it is. It's a diamond pickaxe. Now, you guys have to eat your bowl again. So, you guys, after they actually finish eating their bowl. Or wait. Did I just see another? Ho. Here. Wait, sorry. Here. Diamond axe. This is smite. Smite is good. Did you already eat? That's fantastic. More TNT. I don't need TNT, but I think it's good to kill the Ender Dragon. Maybe I can use TNT as well. Yeah, eat quickly. Till then, I'll go check on your brothers. And your brothers are still dead. Another sheep. The sheep just ate. Oh my god, bro. To do redstone. I mean, it's good to. Okay, I mean, redstone. Okay, it's okay to trigger the TNT. So, redstone is good too. Hey, you come here. Okay, he's done. Here. Enchantment tables. Wait, I need blocks. Okay, this is good too. Paco. I'm bad at Paco. 64 enchantment tables. 64. And let's go. This guy's eating quick. The other guy is just taking his own sweet time. Like, bro. Oh, okay. Sure. What you give me? Bedrock. It gave me bedrock on the other test world too. Oh my god. My hunger is down. I could eat an enchanted golden apple to flex, but there's nobody here to flex on. So I just eat my bread. Peacefully eating my bread. Okay, till you guys regrow your wool, I'll check on other sheep. The sheep over here, but it still didn't. Two sheep. Let's go. And boom. Gold blocks. Oh, that's so good. That's good too. Oh, yes. So gold blocks are good so I can trade. What is that? Another hoe? Okay, I mean, hoes are good too. I mean, hoes are okay. I don't need. Does it work on black sheep? It does. It looks weird, but still. Okay. Oh, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Blast protection, aqua infinity, respiration, and unbreaking. That's what I call flex. Yeah. That's what I call flexing. Oh, regrew it. A bow. Now I just need an. Oh, it's not infinity, but it's power 5. I need some arrows. Are there more sheep here? Okay, there are no more sheep. Damn. This it? He's eating. Good thing I didn't go. Gold block. Are you only giving me gold blocks, mister? Appreciate it, but yeah. Okay, it's good to. So, yeah, gold blocks is good to trade with the piglins for actually. Let's go. We're making full diamond armor. Wait, what? Okay, should I make full diamond armor or wait till I get diamond, enchanted diamond armor from them? What is up with giving me these holes? What's the point? A good way to actually save my inventory is actually by doing this. I don't need holes. Okay, I did that. How does it not lose it? Why did? Okay, thank God. Now I do this. Now I do this. I do this. Inventory space saved, and he is regrouped. This is too OP. What is this? What did you give me? Anvils. Okay, actually anvils. Oh, thank God. Anvils are actually good. I told you guys. I told. Protection 4, thorns and unbreaking. Half diamond already, and there's black sheep too. See, you guys see what did you give me? More anvils. I swear, I promise. These white sheep are giving me an item, and the black sheep are duplicating it. Like, what? Why? And it already ate his wool. Oh, sorry. Blizzard. I got the blizzard. Let's go. And where's my food? Okay, like blizzard. Now I just need ender pearls. And he already ate his thingy grass. I'm coming for you. Oh, yeah, the other one ate too. Nice. Enchanted golden apples. Wait. Iron blocks, nice. Iron vendors. Iron blocks and iron vendors. Did I get the iron vendor? No. 64 iron vendors. I don't even have to go to the nether. Emerald block. I do not need emerald blocks. Good for trading though. With villager. I'm not going to take that. Okay, I think this is the last shear I'm doing. Hopefully I can have a shovel. Like a literal shovel. I don't need blaze rods. What does it have? Wow, what did I expect? Okay, last black sheep. Last please. This is the most fun. Like, I'm literally bedrock. Wow. I'm literally getting rich by shearing sheep. The easiest task ever. Like by shearing sheep, I'm getting OP items. I'm half diamond already. Should I shear these guys or this guy? Diamond. Let's check if it has the items that. Okay, wait. Let's just check. Don't need the whole. Aqua Infinity 1. I have an idea. You guys probably know what the idea is. Okay. Anvil. And then. What do I not need? Iron anymore. I don't need iron anymore. This. And this. Forget about it, dude. Forget about it. Oh, look at my man. Give me an ender pearl. Thank you. I need building blocks for the end, but I have bedrock. Okay, so like, I'm well. Nice save. Let's just check one last time. Let's just. Do I need a brew potion? Think so. Should I just sleep? Let's sleep. Oh my god. Please do not make me do this. I don't need it. Mister, please wake up. Okay. Now, this morning, now we're going to go and search for the, what do you call it? What do you call it? The end portal. Okay. So, the ender pearl. Okay, the eye of ender now. Let's just. It's going this direction. Yup. This direction. Bro. Bruh. Is this haunted? Dude, I don't know. I don't want to mess with my bro. Where did it go? I forgot. Hello. Okay, that's here. Give me. Now let. Okay. I just realized something. Am I gonna be killing the Ender Dragon with my axe and TNT? Am I going to be killing the Ender Dragon with my axe and TNT or something? What is it? Help me, and Iron Golem, I am getting hurt. How is he not dead? I was going to die. Looks like the Iron Golem is of no use. Let's eat one last time. Oh my god. Last year. I don't need it. Okay. Let's go. Okay, wait. Now we have to go. Okay, we have to still continue to go this direction. Ouch! I'm almost dead. Okay, let's just eat real quick. Okay. Still have to go this direction. I'll just go a few hundred more blocks, and then I'll go a few hundred. I'll go a few hundred more blocks, and then I'll throw the Eye of Ender once again. Guys, update. There's literally I'm going to dashing for so long, and there's literally just casually another village. Is it a ruined village or something like that? Like a abandoned village? No. It's just literal like another village. But I really do not need this village. Actually, I might need these villages for my food. I'm not going to share these. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to share these. I'm definitely getting my arrows. Yes. 64. And what do you do? It's okay. I'm okay. Also, I need a bed. What am I doing? I literally need a bed. So, what do I not need? I'm not wearing a helmet. Okay, carrots, get out. I think now the Iron Golem is mad at me. I have to set my respawn. I have to get up. Oh my. What? Oh my god. I think I have to kill this. I am. Don't tell me. Can I hit him? I cannot hit him. I can't. So I have to go down. Okay, now can I? Please tell me. Okay. Quit it. How much time am I gonna take to die? I'm gonna hit him with the master. Nice. How much iron? 4. Don't need it. Okay, where was the eye fender going? The, this direction. Oh yeah. And I threw like 4. Oh no, one of them blew up. Or like broke. Not blew up, but broke. It's okay. Villager, Giant is dead. Go to your house now. Look at all those buckets. I forgot. Okay, right over here. Give me noise. I'm not gonna share them. Actually, I have to share every sheep to get a full diamond armor. TNT, don't need it. Blocks of diamond, don't need it. Actually, speaking of blocks of diamond, I should actually make my full diamond armor. Okay. Boots and leggings. And my leggings. Where be my leggings at? Legging. Get out. Okay, I have to get rid of something with Poppy. Nobody cares about a Poppy. Diamond panties. Okay. Full diamond armor without a shield. Oh wait, I supposed to get a water bucket too. Yeah, I forgot about a water bucket. I am not prepared for this at all. Oh jeez. Okay. Now I need to make a bucket. Good thing I still have iron. And there's water right over here. This is going to be more than 30 minutes long. Yep, 26 minutes and it's like 27 minutes. If I want to, maybe I can maybe cheat and make my own end portal so I don't bore you guys. But I need a bedrock. For my building, I need a build with bedrock and obsidian. What do I not need? Like, seriously, I don't need a stone pickaxe anymore. I have a better pickaxe. Okay, let's go. My hands have become numb. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to go over here. Maybe I could cheat and either make my own portal and go to that so that you guys don't get bored, or I can do all of this legit. I'm not looking at that. I'm not looking at that, dude. I am such a dumb. Indeed, I'm a very bad person. I forgot a bed. Yep, I forgot a bed. So now, before we go to the end portal, we actually have to make a bed. Oh my god. This is going to be very tiring. My fingers are already tired. Oh Jesus. Where is this taking me? I don't even know. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm done enough of this. I know a lot of you guys are gonna call me out for cheating, but I have to go to creator and make my own portal. So, okay guys, it breaks my heart to tell you guys, I have to make my own end portal. I'm very sad, but I have to do. And I also gave myself a bed. Now that the bed is actually legit. I had to find sheep. Don't worry, I can do this. What are you looking at? Bye. Okay. I have another bed. Wait. Double decker bed for luxury. Okay. 3. We'd have to get building blocks too. But I'm building bedrock and probably delete this too. Okay, nice. 3. True. Run. Cinema. Building terrain. My first time. Ooh, what do you have? Ender pearls? I can maybe Ender Pearl. Yes, I have Ender Pearl. Oh my god. Ender Dragon, you be done going them down. Oh, look at that Endy. Okay, so let's first off start by taking all the crystals out. Only the caged one is the problem. I have to actually build up. Get out of my way. Shit. Oh god. Get out. Let me just give you one smack in the face. Good boy. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna make sure I don't get hit by the. You're gonna hit. Oh my god. What? Get out. Jump it. I'm gonna tag team. This is not fair. I'm gonna tag team. This is not fair. Not fair at all, bro. Bro. Dude, I'm getting tag teamed. Get out, get out, get out. I'm not scared of you. Get out. Kind of. Are you seriously? Who is mad at me? I don't even know. Like, obviously. Oh my. I'm so done. I'm so dead. I am so dead. I am so dead. I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, one gone. One's dead. Quickly. Okay, you done. You done. You been done for. You've been done for. Don't tell me. Do not. Just. Guys, I might have a little bitty problem. Shit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. But die. Dude, this is so hard. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Thank God. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Worst part. I got killed by the Ender Dragon magic. I got killed by the Ender Dragon's magic, which is like the worst. Okay, now hopefully they're not going to kill me already because I'm bridging, and it's not fair to kill me while I'm bridging. Seriously, not fair. Okay. Jeez. Okay, fine. You know what? We'll try our best not to get in a fight with the Enderman. We're just here for the Ender Dragon. Aim and fire. Damn, sheesh. Fire. Damn. I'm actually very bad at bowing. Oh my god. Dude, why is Enderman actually angry at me? Can someone tell me? And I have to collect water too. Oh my god, I have to collect my water. Oh no, that's it, mad at me. Run to get my water. Thanks for the boost, bro. Appreciate it. No, don't get near the magic. You have to see it. This is the hardest thing I've ever done. Yo. Now the 3, like seriously, bro. 3 Endermen, dude, and the Ender Dragon. Yeah, I'm probably dead. Oh my. Okay, fine. Yo. Jeez. Yeah, okay, this is a good part. Die. First, I have to try and kill the Enderman. Then, I have to even try to shoot the crystals. This is just not fair. Like seriously. Are they gone? Finally. I'm looking at the ground, look at the ground. I'm still getting tag team. Can you just go away, bro? Can you just go away, bro? Like seriously, dude. Like, dude. It's not fun, dude. Not fun. Okay. I take back my words. I hate the end. I should not have done this challenge. If I die just one more time, I'm ending the video. Like just one more time if I die, I'm ending the video. Seriously. How does the end? Oh, sorry, my fault. I should not have done this. Okay, nice. Get the water. Where's the water? Nice. Now it's not even me versus the Ender Dragon. It's me versus the Enderman. My hands are numb. An attack. Yes, thank God. Let's just try to kill the crystals first. Yeah. Oh, nice. One is down. One down. And two down. Ooh. Yes, I got it. Nice. Okay, for a few of them I have to build up. Okay, like for a few of them I have to build up. Not even for the few of them. I have to build up for one of them and then I can bow shot them all. For my extreme bow skills. And I can also MLG. So let's just... Well, my screen is so black, I don't even know how to get on top. Like seriously, dude. Okay, nice, finally. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's just get this one. I hit the Ender Dragon and I'm dead. Yep, guys, that's it. I'm ending the video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Hit that like button. I failed this challenge, but also guys, please comment if you actually want to, if you don't know how to get this mod and you actually want to get the sheep shearing mod. If you guys actually want it, make sure to comment on this video and I'll tell you guys how to do it. Other than that, oh wait, I have to do my precisely good intro. So other than that, super enjoy. Like seriously,